Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be a skincare video for this festive season, and in today's video I am going to show you guys 3 different masks from which you can actually get rid of your tan and also get a healthy skin as well. I am a person, I love using DIY natural products. I always recommend people to use DIY natural products. If anyone asks me what can I do to get rid of my tan, what can I do to get rid of my acne, I always recommend, I try to recommend them to use natural products, which is the best thing for your skin. And I hope you guys will find this video helpful. Now, quick disclaimer, I'm not talking about things which will work instantly, which will work overnight. It will obviously take some time. These are all natural products. You have to use it for quite amount of time, and after that it will obviously work and you will obviously see a result as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. So as you guys know, I came back from a trek, and after that, you guys know, my skin was literally very tanned and it was burned. Obviously I went for a trek, a very common problem, but I was a very stupid person and I forgot to apply sunscreen. Now guys, if you are using this product, if you are using any kind of product for your tan, please do use a sunscreen, because sunscreen is a must for your skin. I just cannot explain you guys how much a sunscreen is important for your skin. But even if you are getting tan, all this product is obviously going to help you. I forgot to use a sunscreen, और मैं कुछ दिनों से ये face mask use कर रही हूँ and I am seeing a result. And this is not my first time. पहले भी मैं यही face mask use करती थी, मैं यही DIY face mask बनाती थी. Just want to share with you guys, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I have all of this with me right now, and obviously I'm not going to use everything all together. I am going to use this particular face mask, which is one of my favorite face masks, as I already mentioned. This one is the tomato yogurt face mask, and this works really well for me. So I really love using this one. So right now I'm going to use this one all over my face, and this will actually not only remove your tan, it will also help you to get a glowing skin as well, a healthy glow from underneath. You will see it. And this face mask, you have to keep it for, I like to keep this for 20 to 25 minutes, and you have to keep it for at least You can keep it for 15 to 20 minutes as well, but I personally like to keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. If you have extremely oily skin, then please do not use yogurt. If you have dry skin or a normal combination skin, you can use this product. But for oily skin, if you have extremely oily skin, your skin is always like oily and your skin is always greasy, then you can skip yogurt. You can only use tomato, lemon juice, turmeric over here, and you can also add some honey as well. So yeah guys, I washed my face and this is how my skin is looking right now. Obviously I will not say there is a huge difference within instantly, my tan is just gone and everything. It's not possible practically, but obviously you can see a slight difference on your skin, and as you guys can see, my skin is already glowing a little bit. My skin is actually feeling so moisturized and so healthy, which is the most important thing. So yeah guys, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below which one you used and which one worked for you. I will love to know that. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.